Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the app in Android or iOS version so you know what you're fixing. Once done, back up critical app data to cloud or local storage because reinstalls can wipe settings. Next, free at least 500 MB of storage and plug into power. Low storage or battery often causes background crashes. Then force stop the crashing app and relaunch to see if a lightweight restart clears transient faults before deeper steps. You'll want to clear the cache first because it removes corrupted temporary files without losing your data. If crashes persist, clear app data. This resets settings, make sure your backup completed. After that, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace damaged binaries and grab the latest fixes. Also check account sync and app permissions. Disabling and re-enabling permissions can resolve permission-related crashes. Finally, reboot the device to ensure system services reload cleanly. You should update the device OS and Google Play services because many app crashes stem from platform mismatches. Avoid beta builds unless needed. If problems continue, create a new user profile or sign into a different account to isolate account-specific data issues. When all else fails, boot into safe mode or capture logs via developer options to pinpoint the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist after these steps, a factory reset after a verified backup is the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.